We are here, we are here, we are here. What is an amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. We are marking up COMM. Take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on the monthly time frame, price action. Last candle in the market is a bearish hammer. So market's waking its way down from this area here. So overall, looking at the overall structure of the market, let's break down the chart for what we see. So price action at that high, we kept market prices coming from a double top with 3 to 4 puts down to the bottom. Price came back after that break. So that's the highest high. We have the midpoint. Price broke, came back to return to that midpoint. We're looking for a pattern. We received an engulfing pattern, red engulfed the green, pushed that market down back to the low. So market's hanging out at the low area. First, second, third. Price action in the last 3 candles, previous 2 candles are consolidating. So market's working its way sideways. So we should be waiting for a pattern that's going to identify itself in the area for that market to push up. And bearish candles push down. Push up in bullish candles, push down in bearish candles, will continue to consolidate. Something what we see right now happening at near price action. So clearing off the screen, headed back down to price. Right in the area of support. We did identify about 3 to 4 pushes down to the area of on the monthly time frame. Headed down to weekly time frame. Let's take a look at what's going on. Price action. Last candle in the market is a doji. Okay, bullish doji. Side by side, no matter what. Second last candle is a doji as well. Third to last candle is a doji as well. So 3 candles with bouncing up and down, consolidation sideways. Price action. Last candle in the market is coming from a double top, so market could be retesting. So if you think about it's the midpoint here, we have the first leg, second leg, third leg. Market pushed down already for the 4th leg, double bottom, came back to retest that midpoint. So we're going to see if that retest is going to be respected for that market to push down further. If not, it's going to break and then work its way up. So then we'll be looking at for a incline. We coming from an incline double bottom. Let's clear up the screen and see what's going on. Head down to the daily time frame and see what's going on daily. So on the daily time frame, price action, bullish inverted hammer. So price action, price is working its way up from the area down here at the area of support. So let's draw out what we see. First leg in red, second leg, third leg, 4th leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice. So market's on a second push, still has 2 more pushes to go. Price action, tag the midpoint. So price action, highest high, lowest low of that area on the daily time frame. Midpoint line during the middle. You can see price action candle currently tag that SR line. We don't know if this market's going to keep on pushing or it's going to work its way side by side consolidation. But we do know price action candle is above the previous candle price, body above body, and wick is above wick, showing that the market can be working its way up. So we'll see what's going on as we walk down further, headed down to the 4-hour time frame. Bullish inverted hammer, market's working its way up, body above previous body, wick is above previous wick, market's working its way up. You can clearly see market's trying to make it to this area here with full bodies of that candle coming up to this area. But so far we do have wick that just touched. So price did come up there, touch that area. So market like price could be closing out at this area, this candle, but still has some forming to do. Head down to a 3-hour time frame. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so on a 3-hour time frame, second to last candle spiked that resistance of the SR line, came back down for a retest. So it's a retest. Price action is actually sitting on a midpoint. So as we walk down further, we'll probably see a break and retest. So let's see what we see. But price action on the 2-hour time frame is a inverted bullish hammer. Excuse me. Inverted bullish hammer. Price working its way up at a retest. That's a retest candle. See what we see on the 1 hour. Now we see it as a doji. That's a retest. So doji's consolidation retest. Headed down to the 45-minute. Doji as well is a bearish. So market could be coming down. Maybe, maybe not. But we do know it's retesting. So we finally got that retest. So on the 45, 30-minute, it's identifying the same thing. So market on the 30 minutes identifying a double top with the second and third last candle, spike that high, that resistance on my orange SR line, came back to retest. So we're going to see if that retest area is respected for that push up. So market's trying to respect this area here, opposite side. So it's going to push up. We're looking for a break and retest for that market to push up further. If it doesn't, then we'll see that market work its way down. But you can still see price drop a little further down because the wick is touching the SR line, as we can clearly see with price action here, but the body's not on it yet. So it can still push down with further cut candles. Actually could break a little more, still create that reversal and form. That's why we stay paying attention to this area here for a pattern to identify itself, for it to break up, break down further, or continue to consolidate sideways. Headed down to the 5-minute time frame. Let's see what's going on in the market. So market made it down to our midpoint line. Okay, price action. First off, they both are bullish inverted hammers. Excuse me, bullish hammers. Excuse me, bearish hammers. That's working its way down. Second to last candle is below body, wick is below wick, but the price action candle is closed, almost closed out below second to last candle wick. So market could be dropping down further. So it's a strong candle, price action strong candle before the previous second to last candle. So let's see what's going on with this. So we're trying to get that side by side consolidation. Price action candle on a 3-minute time frame is a solid bearish candle. So market's working its way sideways. So we had a double bottom on the 3-minute time frame. Headed down to the 1 minute. And now we're getting a retest. So price action highs, price action lows. Throw the midpoint in the middle. Market broke the midpoint. Now we're going to see that market's going to fully come back to retest and break down further. Or is where price is currently at right now, is this enough for the retest, break and retest, for that market to shoot down further from there? So whatever we at, even if it goes up higher, but we're paying attention to what's going on here, we look for a pattern to identify itself, some type of engulfing pattern or a pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, look through the structure of the pictures of the patterns, take it back to Comm, COMM symbol, see if you can see the pattern identify itself. If you see it, you know which way it goes. Also, breakout retest strategy, click on images. Breakout retests always happen after a resistance or support of an SR line or a zone. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. COMM stock.